Okay, a few things. First, I plan on doing so many videos this summer, and I ended up just not. I don't know, I just felt it was nice just chilling, you know, and not really doing much. I got like a small little part-time job because I went home for the summer. Got a small little part-time job, and it was good. So, yeah. So there's that. Second, I filmed a video coming back that was supposed to go up before this video, but I've been too lazy with editing it. So this one's gonna go up first. I don't know if I'll still put that one up anyways, because the look didn't really turn out very well anyway. But today we're gonna do our little Boxycharm unboxing, and we'll just hopefully get back into the groove of things. So before we get started, please follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and let's just get into it. I'm gonna preface this with complete honesty and say that Boxycharm has kind of been disappointing me lately. Sue me, I'm sorry, but I had the option of getting 1 out of 2 palettes for the last box, for the August box, and one was like really cool and like colorful, and then one of them was like super neutral and boring, and guess which one I got? Yeah, I got the boring one, this one. I just wanted to show you guys this thing because it's yeah. You know, I just had too many neutral palettes. I need more colorful palettes. But like, look, this is the Laura Geller Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Oops. I haven't even used this because I'm so mad. Look at this. It's so blah. I don't even know if I can use half of the matte shades because they're so light. And it just looks like, doesn't this not look like an Estee Lauder palette or like a Lancome palette, you know, that kind of range palette where it's like expensive for no reason and like almost like no color payoff. I haven't even swatched it because I opened it and I was like, oh my god, what the fuck? So I just put it back in the box and I haven't even touched it. So but yeah, the only like interesting shades are really these two because they're kind of like a duochrome thing, and I mean they seem pretty soft, but man, I can't. It's just so annoying. Boxycharm, if you're listening, please start sending me colorful palettes. I'm begging you to start sending me colorful palettes because I love color. I am not afraid of color, and I think I even put on my little quiz that I like color, and I'm pretty sure they don't even like really look at that for anything. I think you just fill it out because obviously it doesn't make a difference for me. But we're just gonna go ahead and get into the box, and the theme is BTS. Behind the scenes, I'm assuming is what that means, not the musical group. So the first thing I see in the box is this thing, which actually is gonna come in handy because my hair is kind of a mess right now. So, but this is the Quick Slick Hair Essence by insert name here. Let's see, it's $22. This is glorified hair gel with a mascara wand is what this is, but it's whatever. I usually use, I don't feel like going up and getting it right now, but I'll put a picture, but I'll use a teasing brush. Okay, this looks crooked, but it's not. It's just the angle that I have the camera. Maybe I can. Nope. I promise you it's not crooked though. It just looks like it because of the angle of the camera. But anyways, I usually take like a teasing brush and I'll spray it with hairspray and then go over my flyaways, and that works really well. I think something like this is kind of useless, but we'll do it anyways. So I like the packaging though. I love this color. Yep, glorified. It's not even, I thought it would be more of like a bristly brush, too. It's more of like the rubber, like silicone ones. And it seems like the product isn't even really sticking to the bristles. I don't know. We'll go for it. Ignore this. Yeah, a little bit. Next product in the box is this. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. So I have my like upper or my eyelid and my brows done already. Usually I would put something like this on before I even started my makeup, but it's whatever. I wanted to save time while I was filming. This is $46. Why is skincare so expensive? I would have liked it if it were one of those like massager kinds. Like, I don't know, I'll put a picture. I have a few already like that, but whatever, I guess. I realized I shouldn't have done my order because the next thing in the box is this, and it's like brushes. These are really pretty though. Like, I like the packaging. These are by Elaina Badro BabyBlues set, and they're $58 for 3 brushes. Shit. Brushes are another thing that I just can't get behind spending $20 on. I know, like, you can get some really good brushes that like last you forever for $20, but I'm just like, nah. I should have used this. Maybe I can use it on like the lower lash line. I don't know. And this, I assume it's supposed to be like a blush brush, but it's like not very wide. Like, let me show you what I usually use. I usually use this. This is the Blinc Cosmetics Complexion Brush. Yeah, anything that's like angled like that, but it's like so much wider. Like, look at the difference. So, I don't know. We can try it for blush. I feel like it might be better for contour, but I don't do contour. We'll try it for blush. We'll use this one first with the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the Blinc Beauty in a Blinc Cosmetics Glow. I don't know if this is intentional or not, but the back is upside down, so you have to like flip it. Or, yeah, flip it. Is that supposed to be like that? I don't know, but this is a face palette. It's $50. It's got some weight to it. So I know Blinc, I've never used anything from Blinc before, but I know they did like the tubing mascara. Like, I think that was their big thing, and I think they were like kind of the trendsetters. That's not the word I'm looking for, but along those lines for tubing mascaras, I feel like, 'cause it was like huge. I never tried it, but yeah. So, but yeah, it's got some weight to it, which is good. That means it's like higher quality. So the pans are like a decent size too, which I can appreciate, because usually, at least for blush brushes and like bronzers, not so much highlights, but you usually use like a fluffier brush, so I appreciate the bigger pan size so that the brush will fit. I'm not gonna do bronzer. I'm feeling really lazy today, so, but anyways, I feel like these are all pretty colors. However, I don't know if I'll be able to use this one. It might be a little too light for me. Maybe not when I'm wearing foundation. I can wear it, but I don't know. And Talented might be a little too light for me as well, but these two would definitely work. Okay, keep in mind, I don't have like any powder on right now, which is kind of my bad. I kind of forgot. But like, I don't know if it's the brush or what, but it's not blending super well. Like, it's kind of just sticking to where I first lay it down. It smells like Play-Doh. Like straight up Play-Doh. I don't know if that's like a bad thing or what, but it smells like Play-Doh. And I haven't smelled Play-Doh in actual years. So, couple things. I don't like this brush. It's just too thin, I think. And the bristles, like, they're soft, but they're like, they don't feel soft, really. And it doesn't feel like I'm blending. I don't know. Cause like, this one's like, the bristles are really soft, but it's still kind of stiff. So it's really good at like a blending out product. But this one's just like flimsy, I think. I don't know. I'm not a fan. I think I could probably use all the highlighters. By the way, this one might be a little too light, but it would be like an inner corner brow bone kind of thing. But yeah, I think I'll take Confident, which is the shade. Let me just put that on the cheeks. Highlighter's a little glittery. It's not like chunky, but like I can definitely see the glitter. Like little chunks or specks. Not chunks, specks. It's like, I mean, it's not super bothersome, but it is there. I want to be like thorough. I don't know, it's not like super pigmented either though, but that might be okay because I know super like blinding highlights aren't really like in right now. The last thing in the box is this guy. Hopefully this works. This is the Saint Luxe Brow Gel. It's $22. Doesn't say what color. It's probably clear if I had to guess. I like clear brow gels on days that I don't want to put on a lot of makeup, but I just want to put on a little something just so I can look a little more put together. Okay, the brush is interesting. It's small, like short, but it's like thick. Like it looks like a spoolie. Like, let me show you. Like it looks like they just took the end of a spoolie and put it on there. We'll see. It's not usually the type of brushes I feel like that people use on brow gels, but we'll see, I guess. I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm not a huge fan of the brush, but I think the formula is pretty good. Okay, so I finished my makeup and we're back to do some math and final thoughts. So let me add up stuff first. So the total is $198. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, $198. So yeah, for $25, that's a good deal. Now onto the products. The hair thing, I mean, it works. I still kind of think it's not really necessary, but I mean, it works. Eye cream, I mean, my under eyes look nice, like they feel nice. So yeah, it's anti-aging, so obviously I can't really tell you the results right now, just like most skincare takes a little bit. So, but will I use this? We'll see. Well, I don't know where the other brush went. So, yeah, this I think would be a decent one. I don't know if it's thin enough for liner, but it would probably be a good brow brush. I think this is the only good one in this set. This, I'm not a fan of. It's just not good. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like it. I don't like it. The blending brush, also that I use in my under eye, not a fan either. The palette, I think the palette is okay. I think if I were to use a brush that I actually like, that might make a difference. The brow gel, I like it. The brush is kind of weird. I can't tell if I like it though. I think the formula is good. Like my brows look pretty good, like they're sticking up. So yeah, I think overall this box is kind of a miss. I think a lot of the products, I think the majority of the products in it, I was just kind of meh about. I don't know, Boxycharm has just been hit or miss in general lately, I feel like. Which makes me really sad because I love Boxycharm and I'm like, I don't want to cancel it. Yeah, I don't know. Get your shit together, Boxycharm. And stop sending me neutral palettes, okay? But yeah, that's it. That's the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you missed my socials in the beginning of the video, they will be in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.